Well, guys, I have some bad news to tell everyone. The lights in this fan are flickering. Yeah, can you see that? Because I can. I don't even know if you can see that, guys. And by the way, this ceiling fan has the Harvey's Crosswinds 2 ceiling fan. One with no pull chains. Oh, it's only a remote. But just look at it. It's been flickering like a candle ever since I walked into this room. Look at this. If any of you all have an idea what is going on, please tell me. I think it could be a large limiter. So, yeah. Bye. This really sucks.